Welcome back to edits for the Grumpy Sunshine novella. We are going to start chapter 5. We have 1 through 4 done, so we're moving right along. As always, going over here, I'm going to get rid of 4 here because we hadn't done that yet. Copy the project. Now we have the revised chapter 4 here. Make sure it's all here. Just because I hadn't deleted it previously. So, yep, chapter 4 is there. Excellent. Just a reminder, these are not final edits. These are getting us closer to final edits, though. Alright, so, chapter 5. Got this. Now I could Control A, but Control A actually highlights everything and not just a chapter. Chapter 5 edits now. Here is the chapter. So we're not quite to the end of this conversation. We still got a little bit left, but it's getting a little long. Chapter 4. Good. Chapter 5. It's a little small. I don't know if you all can see that. There we go. Here are the editing notes. Thinking. I like the sample idea because big rays often do that. So very simple, and we asked what the weaknesses were, got a chapter by chapter breakdown of what we needed to fix. Now we're just going through and putting those in. And it's just moving right along. I'm just going to ask it if it sees any changes that it needs. But holding off until, of course, it's done. The reading through the chapter, I think it's going pretty well. Seems to be a long chapter, but that's okay. Alright. Yeah. I like all those changes and all those additions, so that's good. A repetition to address. Yep. Go ahead and clean those up. While it's doing that, this is what we need to do for 6. Yeah, so editing takes a while. It's kind of tedious. It is not my favorite thing, but it's definitely necessary. So please don't skip the editing part. And this isn't hard. This is just, waiting for it to do its thing when you really just want to get the book out. And it's still much faster than doing it by hand. Meaning we go through every single line here. Alright, we're good? Okay. Copy to project, copy here, toss this here. We're up to 15, so that's good. Good. Okay, so chapter 6. I'm going to refresh this, make sure that it copied perfectly. It's being slow today. Maybe I'm just extra tired. No, it's definitely being slow. What are you doing? Why are there 2 of these? Oh my god, I am tired. There's issues with Claude this morning, actually. Alright. Let's go ahead and grab this. We can make sure that 4... No? Oh my god, I'm way too tired for this. Okay. Brain has to work. We're on 6. We just did 5. This is chapter 6 that we'll be editing next. Let's save a step. Here's this. I know it's not my internet, so it might just be that Claude is having issues right now. And if that's the case, we'll go ahead. Okay, good. I was going to say we'll go ahead and stop the video with just one chapter, but I don't really want to do that. I like doing it as two. Okay, wow, I did not approve these edits, so... Okay, maybe it's just making the artifact. I'm not actually doing it. Oh, no, you're actually doing it. Okay. Let's make sure I actually agree with all this. Okay, yep, I like it. Yeah, those are fine edits. And the other reason I'm doing just 2 chapters at a time is so that, you know, we can easily look at it and say, hey, this is how long it took. You know, you're editing. Plus, if you're editing, if you're anything like me, you're not just going to blast through all 16 chapters and just be mind-numbing at the end of the day. I don't want that for you. So what I like to do when I'm editing is I take, you know, I do 15 minutes like we are right now, and I take a little break. If I'm actually working in Claude and creating something, then I can sit here for hours and hours just enjoying the process. Editing is less fun for me. And so for me, 15 minutes, take a little 5-minute break, walk around, you know, or take a 5-minute break and go do something creative, like go work on a book instead of doing edits. Does it take a little longer? Yes. Does it make my brain happy? Yes. It already dealt with the repetition, but let's check. Yes, please. Clean those up. Go ahead and make this gray so that we know where we are. So it's not too much. Alright, cool. Copy the project, copy this, put this here. Where are we now? We're at 18, almost 19. So these are nice sized chapters. Alright, so we are all set here to do 7 and 8 in the next video, and thank you so much for being here.